You've found Listen to Lawyers. We're committed to helping lawyers be heard. I'm Heather McMichael. I'm a former TV broadcaster and PR manager for an AmLaw 100 firm. I'm now the founder of Listen to Lawyers, which helps lawyers with developing a podcast series for their firm. I want to speak to you for a moment about content for your podcast. Start with, who's your audience? If your audience is other lawyers, you can speak in the language of law. But if your audience is for clients and non-lawyers, be sure to speak in a conversational language. Can't stress that enough. You likely wouldn't want to listen to me talk about the technical aspects of podcasting, but you would want to listen to me talk about content. Same thing. Now choose a topic. Depending on your goals, you can pick a timely topic. Maybe a law has passed that might be of interest to your clients, or a new bill is being considered. You can also choose an evergreen topic, subjects that will likely stay fresh for a long time. For example, how to pick a company name, what to consider when hiring a lawyer, what happens when you get pulled over by a police officer, or what you should know before you sell your business. These are all based, of course, on your area of law, and we recommend a mix of fresh and evergreen. There are a couple of ways to record the podcast. You can either speak in first person. I'm John Smith. I'm a criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk to you about what happens when you get pulled over by a police officer. Or you can interview the expert. I'm John Smith. Today I'm talking to my fellow attorney, Jane Doe, about XYZ. Or you can be the guest, and this is what we recommend. Have someone who's a professional interview you. That's what we do at Listen to Lawyers. That way you can concentrate on the material and not worry about carrying the show or the technical aspects. You really need a producer to help you pull off an effective podcast in most cases. Keep your podcast recording to 2 people at the most, except in rare circumstances. It's too difficult for the listener to keep track of who's talking. You know this if you've ever been on a conference call. Don't write everything down. You don't want your podcast to sound scripted. A producer can prepare an intro and the questions. Think them through, of course. Make notes, but don't sound rehearsed. Keep your podcast to under 5 minutes in most cases. People are busy. They don't have time to listen to a 30-minute podcast. There are exceptions. And if it's going to be longer, consider breaking it up into several podcasts. Create a series. Be mindful always of your ethical rules and be sure to follow your state bar rules on advertising and include a disclaimer. I'd like to help you with the technical and producing aspects so you can focus on the content. For more information about starting a podcast series for your law firm, contact me, Heather McMichael, at the email address on your screen. Thank you.